Welcome learners for the lecture 14 of mathematical method, that is MSc second year of a semester third. Today we discuss about the example for the sine and cosine transform will be given as an example. In a previous lecture we discuss about the third and fourth example. Today we discuss as a 5 and 6 example for this a sine and cosine series transform. Okay, let us go started as a example 5. If a is greater than 0 and a b is greater than 0, then show that function of a cosine form, means the Fourier transform of the cosine e to the power minus bt minus of e to the power minus at upon t. Second will be given as a xi equals to 1 upon square root of a 2 pi log of a square plus xi square and b square plus xi square. A is a greater than 0. This condition will be given. Solution. We know that the function, that is the function of a c e to the power minus bt minus of e to the power minus at upon t xi equals to, put up this value in the general form of the cosine, that will be generated as a equation, means a formula will be defining, that is the square root of a 2 upon pi integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus bt minus of e to the power minus at upon t cos of a xi t dt. What is this form? This is a f of t. This is a formula of a f of t put up to the value of a form equals to I. First equation will be generated, this value as a I, that will be given as a equation first. Next, this will be generated to the form in a partition form of a both of these equation e to the power minus bt minus of e to the power minus at. Then go partition this equation, that is a square root of a 2 pi integration 0 to infinity to the power minus bt upon t cos xi t dt minus sine square root of a 2 pi integration 0 to infinity to the power minus at upon t cos xi t dt. This is called as a second equation. I1 is generated as a form, that is a b first part, and I2 is generated to the form, that is a is a second part. Okay, this is a I1 and I2 is a generated. Then let us go started as a form, that is a differentiating as well as the integrating of this I1 and I2. Then I2 equals to generated square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity to the power minus at upon t cos xi t dt. Then differentiated with respect to xi on a both side. This differentiating form is a generated, that is the form of a first form. First form will be generated as a differentiating, that is a di1 upon d xi equals to square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus bt. You know that, not a confuse upon these. B is called as a I1 and A is called as a I2. Okay, differentiated to the form. Then first of all differentiating, that is a cos xi t square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity to the power minus bt upon t. This cos of a xi t consider as a minus sin xi t into t is a differentiating form dt. Then both t is a cancel, minus sign given as a this form, that will be generated, that is a integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus bt upon t sin xi t dt is considered as a form. That is a previous lecture we defining all these solving to the form, integrating form, integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus bt upon t sin xi t dt. That is the integration 0 to infinity to the power minus bt upon t sin xi t dt. Okay, put up this value in the equation, that will be generated di1 upon dxi equals to minus sin square root of a 2 by pi xi upon xi square plus b square. That is a di equals to minus of square root of a 2 pi xi upon xi square plus b square dxi. Then this dxi dividing to the form, this is multiply. Integrate, we get as a form, both of this integration is generating integration di1 equals to minus of square root of a 2 by pi. Integration will be considered this equation and generating to the form, that is a di1 only as a I1 equals to minus square root of a 2 by pi into this equation will be generating to the form 1 by 2 integration xi upon xi square plus b square d xi. Then consider minus sign is a common, square root of a 2 by pi 1 upon 2 log will be generated this equation xi square plus b square. Then cancelling to the form, this is 2 is called as the square root of 2 into square root of 2. The square root of a 2, 1 cancelling to the form and generated as a minus 1 upon square root of a 2 pi log of a xi square plus b square. This is the equation third to getting as a value I1 in this form. Next is a I2 will be solving. I2 is generated to the form square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity to the power minus 80 t cos of a t. Then differentiated this form of the equation I2 that is generated. This is a constant, same as a derivative form will be generated. You know that this equation will be generated, that is a minus sin xi t into t. Minus sign is a common to this equation, square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity to the power minus 80 upon t sin xi t dt. Okay, same, both of these equation is the same as the value will be putting in this xi upon xi square plus b square. This value will be put it in the equation di2 upon d xi equals to minus square root of a 2 pi xi upon xi square plus I square. Okay, then di2 equals to xi d xi considering this form minus square root of a 2 pi xi upon xi square plus a square d xi. Okay, next is integrating this both of this equation to generated as I2 equals to minus square root of a 2 pi integration xi upon xi square plus d xi. Then generated square root of a 2 by pi 1 by 2 integration, this will be generating form as a 2 xi upon xi square plus a square. Then consider as a value 2 to cancelling of the form 1 upon square root of 2 pi log generated xi square plus a square. This is the fourth equation. Subtract equation third and fourth in a equation 2, means a subtraction will be given as a form that will be generated I equals to minus 1 upon square root of a 2 pi log of a xi square plus b square minus generated this minus plus 1 upon square root of a 2 pi log of a xi square plus a square. Then combining to the form of a both 1 upon square root 2 is a common in this form, log of a xi square plus a square is a plus form, this will be getting, and this minus sign is generated as minus log of a xi square plus b square. You know that minus sign is considered as a form that is a upon form, means a de denominator form. Minus 1 upon square root of 2 pi log generated xi square plus a square upon xi square plus b square. This is given to the value of the example form is generated, and this will be generating to the value function of a cosine form e to the power minus bt minus of e to the power minus 80 upon t xi equals to 1 upon square root over 2 pi log of a they will be transferring to the form a square plus xi square upon b square plus xi square. This is proof. Let us go to the next example. First of all, we are discussing as a form, that is a step will be formed as a generated. I will be considered if created as a two separated form in the equation, then given as a I1 and I2. I1 differentiating form will be given. After that, integration will be generated in this form, same as a I2 will be considered, that is the integration generated, differentiation generated. This step will be follow to solve as a example. Okay, next example will be given, that is a example 6. If a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0, then show that function of a sine, means a Fourier sine transform e to the power minus bt minus of e to the power minus 80 upon t xi equals to square root of a 2 by pi tan inverse a minus b xi upon a square plus xi square. If in this condition, that is a square by b. Then start a solution. We know that to the formula of this equation, that is a function of a sine form e to the power minus bt minus of e to the power minus 80 upon t xi equals to square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus bt minus of e to the power minus 80 upon t sin xi t dt equals to I. This is the first equation. Then I equals to square root of a 2 by integration 0 to infinity to the power separated to the form in the both of this condition. This will be the e to the power minus bt upon t sin xi t dt, and this is a given as a form e to the power minus 80 upon t sin xi t dt. This is called as a I1 and I2. I equals to I1 and I2, this given as a second example, where I1 equals to, this is the form of a b sin t, and I2 is generated as a sin t. Okay, this will be given as a difference between b and a. Consider to the form I1 equals to integration 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity to the power minus bt upon t sin z t dt. Then differentiated with respect to both of the side, d I1 upon d xi equals to sin xi t will be differentiated. You know that sin xi t will be considered as a cos xi t. Square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus bt t cos xi t into t dt. This is a numerator and denominator cancelling to the form to generate it square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus bt cos xi t dt. This is called as a form that is a b upon b square plus xi square. Okay, then put up to the value and generating to the form only as a this form of the integration. This is not a square root of a 2 by pi. D I1 upon d xi equals to square root of a 2 by pi b upon b square plus xi square. Then integrated to the equation to the form, then integrating to the value, this d xi is generated to the form, then d I1 equals to square root of a 2 pi b upon b square plus xi square d xi integrated. Then integration will be given as a form I1 equals to square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity b upon b square plus xi square dz. Then square root of a 2 by pi, b will be common, only integrated this portion of the form integration 0 to infinity 1 upon b square plus xi square dz. This will be generated as a 1 by b tan inverse xi by b. Okay, bb cancelling to the form only generated I1 equals to square root of a 2 by pi tan inverse xi by b. This is the equation third. Now we get it as a I2, same as a equation will be follow in this condition, that is a square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity to the power minus 80 upon t sin zi t dt. This will same as a differentiating to the form of the equation, that is a d I2 upon d xi square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus 80 upon t d upon d xi sin zi t dt. Then given to the value of the equation to the form, that is a t cancelling to the form when it will be integrated as a form. Square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus 80 upon t d upon t xi sine will be integrated as a form, that is a sine will be integrated as a form, that is a cos xi t dt will be generated. Then tt will be cancelling to the form and generating to the equation square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus 80 cos xi t dt. This is also called as only as an integrating form of equation b upon b square plus xi square. But this is a generated as a upon a square plus xi square. Then generating to the form d I2 upon d xi equals to square root of 2 pi a upon a square plus xi square. Then di2, this d xi is transferring to the right hand side, then di2 equals to square root of 2 pi pi a upon a square plus xi square dz. Then put up and integrate, we get to the form, that is integrating I2 equals to square root of a 2 by pi integration 0 to infinity a upon a square plus xi square d square. Then both of these equations square root of a 2 by pi a is a common of the form, this will be integrated integration 0 to infinity 1 upon a square plus xi square dz. Then integrated to the form, this will be generated 1 by a tan inverse xi by a. A is cancelled and generated to the value I2 equals to square root of 2 by pi tan inverse xi by a. Okay, this is a subtraction equation third and fourth in equation 2. Subtract equation third and fourth in equation 2 to get it as a value, that is a I equals to square root of a 2 by pi tan inverse xi by b minus square root of a 2 by pi tan inverse xi by a. This is the same, then getting as a value, that is a common, then tan inverse xi by b minus tan inverse xi by a. Then minus sign will be given as a denominator form, that is a tan inverse a minus tan inverse b equals to formula is given, that tan inverse a minus b upon a plus 1 up 1 plus a b. Then I equals to square root of a 2 by pi tan inverse xi by b minus xi by a 1 plus xi by b into xi by a. Then multiply both of these condition when getting to the value. Square root of a 2 by pi tan inverse cross multiply a is high minus b is high will be considering to the form plus xi square and generated to the value ab plus xi square ab will be generated to the value of this equation. Same as a condition will be giving as a cross multiply to get it all this value of a equation. So I equals to square root of a 2 by pi tan inverse a minus b xi a plus b xi square. This will be given. Hence, proof will be generated as a given to the value of the equation, that is a function of a sine transform e to the power minus bt minus of e to the power minus 80 upon t xi equals to square root of a 2 by pi tan inverse a minus b xi upon ab plus xi square. This is a sixth example to given as a all the value to solving to the condition. Example 5 and 6 is both of the same equation, but differentiating to the formula will be changes as a form. Okay.